It's a simple question, but it's a little bit more complicated when it comes to how it's applied. The question is whether or not ballots that show up in outer envelopes like this one, but only have a signature, no date, something that's required by state law, whether or not they should be counted. Again, a signature and date are required by state law. However, a federal appeals court said, well, you only need a signature. You don't need to have a date. However, just recently, within the last hour or so, we've learned that the U.S. Supreme Court has temporarily put that ruling on hold while it considers the lower court ruling. This is pretty important for Dave McCormick. Earlier today in Commonwealth Court, he had been arguing that the undated mail ballots that are still floating around in this race, several hundred of them, his campaign believes, should be counted. And they were citing that federal appeals court ruling. They said that counties should include those undated mail ballots in their final tallies. This ruling, of course, though, is on hold again because the U.S. Supreme Court is going to consider the lower court decision. Earlier today, one of the lawyers arguing alongside Oz's campaign that those undated ballots should not be counted told us this about the situation.
It matters because the legislature says that you need to say what date you signed the ballot, the mail-in ballot. And because that's part of the requirements that the legislature has set forth, that's what needs to be done. You need to follow the rules that they've set.
Again, McCormick is doing this at a time when he's trying to catch up to Mehmet Oz in the U.S. Senate race for the GOP nomination of that particular election, who's going to face off against John Fetterman. Again, it just comes down to this question of whether or not these undated mail ballots should be counted. We'll see what the U.S. Supreme Court has to say and what Commonwealth Court, the court that heard it today here in Harrisburg, has to say as well. In Harrisburg, Tom Lehman, WGAL News 8.